Now that sick man has long been out.
Welcome to the Republic Christian Country Asia. Welcome to the Republic
ceremony of the 23rd International Conference on Terrorists. They wanted this conference in particular.
General internal medicine has become more necessary than ever. Here, we observe the 10th year. Economic Cooperation, or APEC.
To the Committee on Health and Demography.
My experience is such that I know that in the barrios and in our country, this kind of traditional medicine, defined as herbal medicine, some of them call them albularyos, are now going on in a barrio study. 98% of all the people consulted the albularyos first before going to other, modern medicine, let's put it this way. Now, if they do that, might as well look into it. What did I find?
Pati na itong katawan.
Buo yan.
Oo.
Putol ka lang dyan.
Oo, at siya
Ano pong pangalan ba?
Galamay Amo. Sa ngayon ako, hindi ako nakikipagtalo. Talaga naman eh. Kaya nga lamang, kung bakit nagkakapasyente ako. Sa loob ng maghapon, pinakamahina dito nung araw ng mga 40-30. Ay ngayon, humihina ang pasyente ko rito dahil ako pag-aalaga lang sa mga barangay. Meron siyang paninilaw. Pero bale sa linggo na siya dito sa bahay, mapula na ngayon ang balat ng bata. Alisin mo nila. Mapula ng balat ng bata. Gusto ko sabihin, yung mahihirap na gaya namin, pahintulutan naman nilang pumasa yun sa Senado. Dahil malalakasan din na loob yung ibang mga kaalbularyo ko dahil parang sila naanoran na ating gobyerno na sila pwede rin manggamot.
Ano pa yun? Baka hindi pa pinadala yung
Well, we are very strongly against it. And we have asked the author, Senator Juan Flavier, to withdraw the bill because that would be rolling us back to antiquity in the delivery of health care. Precisely, we have this International Congress of Internal Medicine, which is based on science and technology.
Thank you very much.